how to add a table of contents in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can effortlessly add a table of contents to your Notion page and organize your content like a pro. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Alright, let's get into it. First, head over to the Notion homepage. That's your main hub for creating and managing all your docs, wikis, projects, basically anything. Once you're on the site, go ahead and hit that login button. This is where we start customizing your Notion experience. Now, if you're like me and prefer convenience, click the Continue with Google button. It just saves time and skips the whole password hassle. Select the Google account you want to use, and you'll be dropped right into your Notion workspace. Now from here, navigate to the page where you want to add the table of contents. It can be any page, your personal wiki, a work project doc, a reading list, anything where you want better structure and easier navigation. Here's where the magic starts. On that page, just type /table. This is where Notion /commands come in clutch. When you type /table, it'll give you a list of options. What you want to select is table of contents. As soon as you click it, Notion will instantly generate a table of contents block right on your page. It's going to automatically scan your document for any headings like heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3 and build a clickable table based on that. The more you use headings throughout your page, the more organized your table will be. And that's literally it. You now have a clean, clickable structure at the top of your Notion page that lets you jump to any section with a single click. This is super helpful if you're working on a long document or sharing your page with others who need to find info quickly. So yeah, that's how easy it is to add a table of contents in Notion. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.